Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of canceling a recurring subscription on Hulu. If you're looking to stop those monthly charges, follow these simple step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log in to your Hulu account. Begin by opening the Hulu website or app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and select Account from the options. Step 3. Find the subscription section. In the account settings, scroll down to find the Your Subscription section. Here, you'll see details about your current subscription plan. Step 4. Choose Cancel Subscription. Look for the Cancel Subscription option. Click on it. Hulu may ask you to confirm your decision, so follow the prompts to proceed. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After you click on Cancel Subscription, Hulu will typically provide you with some information regarding your remaining days of service. Confirm the cancellation to finalize the process. Step 6. Check for confirmation email. Once your subscription is canceled, you should receive a confirmation email from Hulu. Make sure to check your inbox to verify that the cancellation was successful. Now you're all set to stop those recurring charges. If you have any questions about the subscription cancellation process, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.